Bowie, super coach. Bit of a different message this morning. Really, I need your help so I can help you. So help me help you in the sense of planning for 2025 around my coaching material. So as you know, I put out a daily tip on video every single day, 365 days a year. It's called Bowie's Daily Video Tip. Now, I hope everyone does take away key implementations from that, but I would like some feedback, because effectively all I do at the start of the month is literally write either one word or one topic, and then each day, just from that word or topic, I am able to, very fortunately enough, have that much IP and experience in my head that I can do, a few minutes on video in order to add value. Now, I love the altruistic approach that I've adopted in real estate. Real estate has been outstanding to me over 35 years. So really, probably around 70 to 80% of my content is actually free. By the time you look at the podcast, by the time you look at the tips that I put out, by the time you look at these raw, authentic ones that I put out, and I'm happy about that, because I'm very well remunerated through my coaching clients and also obviously through my auctioneering as well. So it's really important to me that I give back. So those daily video tips, please, in the comments column, write down some topics or questions or whatever that you would like me to discuss for the new year. Also, put down some feedback in terms of the editing of them as well, because those polished ones, as you know, have editing. They've got flashes from me in the field. They've got flashes of emojis and things like that. So I hope you enjoy that, because it is an investment for me. And obviously just these authentic ones that I do with the Live with Virtue series is just very raw, and obviously doesn't cost anything, but the edited and polished videos, there is an investment. So help me help you. Provide me some topics, provide me some feedback, so that way I can design 2025 to suit you, my friends, my family, my colleagues in this beautiful industry of real estate. And make sure you tune in to the Adrian Bowe podcast. Make sure you follow all my socials, and I want to wish you and your families an incredible Christmas. And I hope, as I said the other day, all of you wish Jesus Christ a happy birthday, because that's what Christmas is all about. God bless, and live with virtue.